I just made some yogurt. It has yogurt, blueberries, honey, chia seed, hemp seed, cocoa powder, and also we also added some more ingredients, but I forgot them. Sorry guys, but this is mine because I mixed it. This is my mom's. So this is chocolate. This is chocolate and plain. Let's see how it tastes.
It's Alaska. Who the hell knows?
Oh my goodness, it's so good. So
You wanna put in a dirt?
woo, we're gonna put nerds in too. And then make another video. And then if you like it, subscribe me. If you don't like it, unsubscribe me. Bye bye.